Hey everyone, it's Sash again, and today I'd like to show you how to build a nice looking landing page or squeeze page or opt-in page. You know, there are many names for one page, like this one here with a nice background picture and an opt-in here. You know, when you click here, it will pop up a new pop-up and you can put in your email address. All right, so this is what we're gonna create today, because yesterday I showed you where you can pick or find and pick products from, and today what we do is, look at this. This is some nice graphics here. I know it's a lot of colors and you know, it can be quite confusing if you don't know where to put your attention to, but I'd like to show you the opt-in page. So this page is what we are going to focus on today, to create this page and to capture leads, you know. So when we send people there, we can actually capture their email address and build a list. So this is the whole thing and the whole intention of creating a landing page, because if we would send people straight to our product, to our sales page, well, guess what? They, you know, would 1 to 2% would buy, and all the others, they would left, and we won't, you know, would see them again, or we cannot even contact them again. So this is why we put an opt-in page in front of it, so we can capture the leads, and even if they don't buy after we send them to the product page and sales page, well, at least we have their email address and we can email them again and again and again and offer them different products. All right. So let's go to ClickBank, where we can find products to promote, and I'm going to go straight to the e-business and e-marketing. All right. So if you haven't created a free account yet, you can still do this. You know, just go to the marketplace, to ClickBank, sorry, and create yourself a free account. It's all good. All right. And yesterday I told you, go for gravity, sort results by gravity, because this is the most important score that we are after. Well, let's pick a product, right? Very quickly. Okay, 5-minute profit sites. Let's go for that one. So when I click on this here, it will open up their sales page. Okay, so it would be this page over here, just to take a look. What's the message? Okay, what's the headline here? Because we want to make sure that our headline that we put on our site, on our opt-in page, is congruent with this one up here. Okay, and it's actually there are some good bullet points, some big promises here actually, and yeah, we just gonna, you know, spin it around a little bit and make it our own. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty good. We can work with this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this product here. Okay, there's a pop-up even, that's fine. All right, so we're gonna work with this sales page. All right, but we don't want to send people straight here, because then, you know, they will leave, like, you know, 99% will leave, and we aren't able to touch them ever again. That's why we need a landing page, squeeze page, opt-in page. All right, so this is Leadpages. I use Leadpages as well as I use ClickBank and all the other platforms that I showed you yesterday. So I always will show you the resources that I personally use. Okay, this is from experience and not just, you know, some theory that I heard of. Yeah, you can go there and I will send you there, but I do other stuff, you know. This is not the case. I use Leadpages, okay? And Leadpages is a really nice website builder, where we can build some different types of landing pages or websites. And you see here, it's sorted by all types, drag and drop. So this is one of their standard websites creators, and I'm just gonna sort it by free resource or download, because then I have more options for our lead pages, you know, for capture pages. Let's see what's, you know, what is, oh, that's quite nice here, you know, there's a nice background image, but I'd like to, yeah, here it is. I'd like to go with the one that I showed you in the beginning. So I click on view, so there it is, and I'm gonna say use this template, right? Okay, it's working pretty good. So I need to find a name for it. Let's say test page, okay? And then I click on continue. And now we will see in a second here the editor, where we can actually edit everything on the page, the background image even, if we wanted to, but I'll leave it like that. But we can, you know, we can pretty much, as you can see here, we can edit the text, we can edit the button, the color, everything. Sorry, I got like a little frog in my throat, so I'm gonna cough here. Please excuse me. Okay, I'm back. It's better now. All right, and yeah, let's see. So you see, here we could put an image, right? But I want to keep it really simple, so what I will do, I will actually just delete this, and it's gone, as you can see. But if I delete something accidentally, I can always undo stuff, and it's back again, okay? So with those little arrows up here, I can undo stuff, but I want to get rid of this, okay? Next thing I need is, I'd like to, edit the headline, obviously, right? So let's get rid of that one. And let's go back here to the sales page, where we will find some nuggets to make our headline congruent with this message here, so that when people opt in here on our landing page, and after they opted in, they will be redirected to this page, okay? And of course, you know, when we put here like get the best fitness program 2000 and whatever year it is, just leave your email here, and they opt in, and they expect, you know, it's all about expectancy here, what the visitor expect when he opts in or she. And when we send them to this sales page where it says makes up to $519 per day, and they expect like a fitness program, it wouldn't make sense, right? They will drop off, go somewhere else to find what they were looking for in the first place, okay? So what we need to do here really is, we need to, where is it? Right, we need to find a good headline, right? A congruent one. So what I would do here is I would really just read what's on this page. And yeah, as you can see, there's not much than really this headline and the video. And maybe this sub-headline down here. And what we could do is, we could go for how you can start making up to $519 per day in under 5 minutes, right? So that would be maybe a good headline. Okay, so let's see. Let's say learn how you can make up to $519 per day. What else does it say? Oh yeah, in under 5 minutes. Okay, in under 5 minutes. And let's put 3 dots here. Okay, cool. So that's the headline. It's easy, right? I mean, I just grabbed what I saw here and made it, you know, customized it basically. And of course now we need to change the color. So what I did here, sorry, let's do this a little bit slower so you can follow along if you haven't done this before. So you just highlight everything, and then we can change, you know, the format here. It's jumbo, it's a headline. Okay, let's do a jumbo because it's bigger. And this is the color, obviously, and we can add colors. Well, I would go for white because obvious, you know, it pops the most. And yeah, well, let's go back here. So when I click on this little icon, you know, the edit icon, it'll highlight itself. And then I actually would like to, to change the size, okay? I really want to make it way bigger than it is. Now, look, this is way better, right? We could actually change the spacing, meaning it looks like a little bit too squeezed. So we can actually make it bigger, but I think 3 or 4, no, 3 was actually good, right? And 4 is, ooh, it's way too big. Okay, and you can change, you know, the different writing style here, the font, if you wanted to, but for me that works. Okay, look at this, nice and clean, right? But what we could actually model here as well is, you know, they put like red color and yellow in the background, and well, that was me. But yeah, red and yellow, so those two colors are on the sales page. So maybe we could actually do like red and because, you know, if we wanted to go with a color, with a yellow button here, we could put some yellow into the headline as well. Maybe we could highlight this by making this yellow. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice, right? That's cool. So yeah, I would go for that one. And let's see. Yeah, that's good. Enter your email address to get this free report is obviously not the right message, of course, because when they go here, this is not a free report, this is a free video, right? So what we can say here is enter your email address to get, or no, to watch the free, we already have free here, free video, okay? Because this is what they will see on the following page, the sales page. And then we can also change this message here on the button. I would go for like this, show me how. Because what did we say here? Learn how you can make up to this kind of money in under 5 minutes. And then show me how. But blue is not very, it doesn't really pop, you know, with a yellow background. So I would go for black actually, and there's no black color yet. So what we can do, we can add colors. You see, brand colors and page colors, it doesn't really matter which one you take, but I just click add, and then I can add, okay, that's the background. Actually, you can see here it says BKG, background stands for background, obviously. So I will take this back. Okay, so I did something that I didn't want to, which is good, you know, I made some kind of mistake, and now I can undo this, and I undo it again, and you see it's back again, my yellow background. I'd like to keep that. All I wanted to change here is the text color. All right, so let's go to color, and first we have to choose which one we wanted to change. Okay, so I need to go to text actually. And then, yeah, I'd like to do it a black, probably. Whoops, that was fast. Let's go, no, that's the other one, the text below. But you can see now, it's better, right? The black one, it pops better. But let's do this again to text. And, well, no, black, it's great. Great color. But I wanted to change the size, you know, of the text. So when you go here to the capital A and the lower A, then you get to the sizing. And yeah, let's make it as big as we can. And spacing, that will be probably too big, right? But yeah, let's leave it there. So we have a nice big button. Yeah. I think the button is probably too big, okay? So Let's change this again. Let's go here again, and the spacing, we will make it nice and clean and smaller. All right, so that's better. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so that's the button, and the button is not finished yet. Okay, it's just a button. So when they click here, it'll pop up a lead box. You see this here? Added lead box. We will get there in a minute, but let's stay here to finish this off first. Okay, so you could actually change this to your year. Well, I'm gonna leave this. You could also say all rights reserved here, and then put your year, whatever year it is. Okay, privacy policy, that's fine too. Yeah, so that's actually it. You know, you don't need to mess around with everything. But what we actually could do here is, because it pops a little bit too much, we can make it a bit... Okay, now it's gone because it's the same color as the background. That doesn't make sense. People actually should see this, but let's make it like a bit darker gray or something. Yeah, well, you know, it's not good yet, but we'll get there. Okay, so a little lighter. You see, that's better. Okay, it doesn't pop like crazy, but it's fine now. Okay, so that's actually it. We don't need to do anything else than just, you know, add it a little bit here and there. But the whole template itself, we're just gonna keep it. But the background, I mean, the background image is super nice, right? But it's, for me, actually, it's too much, because when people go here, they will probably, the attention will go probably too much to the face here in the background. It's a pretty face, obviously, but I want them to really watch or take a look at my message here, right? So that's what I can do now is I can click on this icon here, and you will see it'll pop up this here, and it'll say background. So usually there's actually this background image would be here. You can exchange it if you wanted to, but that's not what I would like to do, because what I will do is I will go to color, and I will do something to make that image a little bit blur, you know, a little bit darker, so people, yeah, I will show you. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to color, and I will add a color that makes it dark. Oh, you see, when I go here, actually the image goes totally away. So that's actually not what I wanted. Stay with me, bear with me here. So that's not what I wanted. Let's go back here. Let's find what I'd like to change, okay? Because when I go here, the hero, it's the hero session. Okay, you can change actually the name for hero, but this is the section. So the section, what is a section? A section is this green. Can you see this here? It's green, right? And there is the edit icon. So this is a whole section. And also, is there another section? No, those are rows, obviously. So you can actually go to a row, and you see, look, this is a row up here that I actually don't need, so I can delete this. You see? Now this row will be deleted. Yes, I want to delete this, because then this will be higher even. And this row, what's that row? Okay, that row is actually where my little nice headline is. I want to keep that, and this row is, the third one is below. I can keep that as well for spacing here, okay? But I like to go to that one here. And yeah, it's funny, usually there is this image that you can see in the background here, is usually here, and we could make it darker, but I don't know why, but it's not here, okay? And you saw when I go to colors that it will just like a big overlay. And well, let's try. Oh, there you go. Now I know what I wanted to do. Okay, you saw this, you probably saw it, right? So I'm going to go to add, and now it's here, you know, it's yes, please do this. It's dark, right? It's black. And now here, this is the transparency, the opacity style. Look at this, super nice, right? So what I wanted to do is here, I found it, yay. You see, I mean, I'm using this tool, but you know, sometimes it's a bit tricky, even for me, to find what I want to do. So what I like to do is I like to darken the background, and you see, it's just the background. Look here, it pops like super duper, but the background, I still wanted to keep it, but let's do it like this. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Isn't that nice? Now you can see there is this beautiful lady, but this this section here with my big headline pops way better, and is, you know, the focus is so super clear on that side of the page, right? And not so much on the background. Okay, cool. This is what I wanted to show you. Great. All right, let's focus on the last thing here, on our lead box, okay? Because we have only now this button where people can click on, and now it'll pop up this lead box here, okay? Where it says actually 50% complete. That's cool. And yeah, that's also nice. Enter your email address to get started. Cool. I like that message. And let's focus on the opt-in here, okay? So you see on the left hand side it pops up this little thingy that we need to edit as well. So name your form, okay? So you can actually name the form if you wanted to. It's just for me, this is fine, test page. And now you actually need to sorry, where is it? No, it's not here. It's down here. You need to add an integration. You need to add an autoresponder to actually being able to capturing leads, right? To capturing emails. And this is what I will show you in great detail tomorrow. Okay, this is where we're going to focus tomorrow. All I want to do here today now is I'd like to change this message here, because this is not cool, right? Send me the report. There is no report. This is still this video here. So I will just say watch the free video now. Okay? And the background is great because it's the same with a button before. And just, I'd like to edit this size again to make it bigger. Yes, that's better, right? But I actually like to change also the color here. I'd like to have it more, you know, clean, black and white. You know, if you have black and white in your headlines, in the text that you use, it's always better than you have tons of different colors. It looks way more unprofessional having, oops, look, I did this mistake again. I changed the background, but I wanted to change the text, okay? So here's the text, yes. Look at this, that is nice and clean. All right, but let's go back here because I don't like the background from my, come on, no, not undo. Look what he does now. He undoes the background. Unbelievable, my man. Okay, so let's stay here and I will find the right color. Look what I can do now here, because you know it's brighter, I believe, the background from this pop-up button than this one here. At least this is what it looks like for me, okay? Let's see. When I go here, I just need to change this, right? Yep. So this or that, it's just the same actually. Okay, it's the same color. Okay, now it's the same. All right, cool. Okay. Well, with that being said, yeah, let's change this. Looks it's always the text. Don't put too much color on your text. So what I'd like to do here is make it also nice and clean with black, right? This is all we need to do here. And well, tomorrow we're gonna focus on this part here and how to integrate your autoresponder to this page so you can actually build your list, okay? All right, well, I mean, I hope you really like these kind of raw style videos because, you know, I'm doing this in front of you and I'm not skipping or cutting anything. If I do mistakes myself, well, hopefully this helps you to learn even better and to cut some learning curves here as well, okay? But for, let's publish this, you know, let's do this last step. Let's publish this page so that we can actually see how it looks like when we view the page, okay? So this is our page name, our URL. Let's see, how does this page look like? All right, not too bad. Here you can see there is some incongruency with this is darker than on the bottom. Okay, I will get to that. But here, I just want to show you, you know, I mean, this pops pretty nice. And this as well. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's do this one last step here, okay? Because I don't know why it was not as dark as it should have been on the bottom here, right? Because when you scroll down here, you can see it's all good. Extra scroll area. This does not publish, okay? And I cannot change this or delete this section here. So it should be actually, yep, it should be cool here. You see, this is what we do here. Okay, well, let's update this again. And well, I'm gonna leave this, you know, as it is for today because it's a pretty long video already, almost 30 minutes. And well, I hope you find this helpful, okay? Because now what we have here is a nice looking landing page that, you know, with a headline that is totally congruent with this page over here, you know, with this headline, our sales page, okay? And well, tomorrow we're gonna integrate our autoresponder, and yeah, then we're pretty good to go to drive some traffic to the page if we wanted to, all right? Okay, so what I'd like you to check out now, if you wanted to, I actually will share this site with you, okay? So you can actually get the link below this video. There's a link. You can actually go to Leadpages, click on that, go to Leadpages, and you can actually get this absolute same page for you and yourself and your, you know, whatever you like what to promote. It does not have to be this, obviously. So you could change the headline model, whatever you'd like to do here. Play around a little bit. It's a 14 days trial, so it's for free, you know. You just create your free account. You get this page here that I'm going to share with you, and you can play around with it, you know. You can get to know Leadpage better, and yeah, create your own nice looking landing pages, okay? And well, watch out for tomorrow for my email, because there's going to be a new video, of course, and it's going to be for integrating our autoresponder, okay? So I'm looking forward to that, and yeah, I'm just going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching and take care, and we're gonna see each other tomorrow. Bye bye.